How to fix Nintendo's Joy-Con remote. It's the third one I did, so I'm going to walk you all through the process. It's very easy. What you want to do is lay it down on the rock. Alright. You're going to need a hammer and a blowtorch. So you beat it a couple times with the fucking hammer. As you can see, I already did 3 of them so far. Beat it a couple times just to take your frustration out for it constantly pulling to the left. And then you want to torch that shit. Torch it nice and good. I don't know why Nintendo keeps making remotes that all pull to the left. 4 remotes in a row down the drain. $54 each. For what? I think they do it just to piss you off. So you set it on fire. This is how you know you have anger issues too, by the way. And then you just keep beating it while it's on fucking fire too. Keep beating the shit out of this motherfucker. Oh, look. Make sure you piss on the ashes.